Welcome to Snail Trail 4x4, another 2-Minute Tuesday. Today we're going to be discussing an essential piece of overnight camping equipment. Hey everybody, I'm Jimmy Jet. Today we're going to be discussing cook kits. I just recently purchased this one from a big box company. This is not a sponsored ad. I bought this one with my good hard-earned money. And I want to talk about why I purchased this kit. It's got some really cool features, but first let's just talk about kits in general. Like, you don't necessarily need a cook kit along these lines, especially if you're just going to cook over the open flame, like some hot dogs. If you're going to, bring things along that don't need to be cooked at all. You could also bring the pots and pans from your house. But I wanted to get a cook kit, something that I'm just going to have in my tote, that, I can just load my tote up and then take it along, and I don't have to worry about grabbing things from the house or switching them out. Also, a little bit of background on me is I've always been really into backpacking, and so I've had a backpacking cook kit for a really long time that I've used. The problem with that one is it's small. It's really the gist of it. And it's not really made to do the car camping thing and just be bouncing around and be rugged. And so I want to save that one strictly for my backpacking, and I want to use this one now. I'm going to be using it for the car camping. So let's talk about this one and the features that are there in 2 minutes. Ready? Boom. So this is the Basecamp Adventure from Stanley. It's a 4-person cook kit, and I'll show you why that is in a little bit. One of the first features that I really liked is this rubber band elastic part on the top, so that, it literally holds everything in. And I really like that because then I can just toss it in. It doesn't have to be right set up, or doesn't have to be concerned with something on top of the lid and things falling off if I'm going to be bouncing around. It holds on really well. And also a really nice feature are the holes on the top of the lid. There's a bunch right here and then one on the top. I like that because then I can use it as a strainer. So if I'm doing pasta or something along those lines, I can dip this over and it'll strain on out, and you don't have to worry about how to get the water out of there, how to separate them from the noodles. It comes with a 32-liter frying pan. That's a three-ply frying pan on the inside. And so it's a good little one. Stainless steel as well, so easy cleaning. Now here's where we get to the 4-person. There are 4 little plates. There are also 4 bowls. Inside of that has these little has a spatula and a big spoon, and you just can clip those handles on. And so that works really nice. There's also push that to the side, a cutting board in here. So it has a nice little cutting board area. It has 4 sporks to go along with all the plates and bowls. Has a hot pad holder, so you can grab things, grab the frying pan to hold the lid down on the pot. And this thing turns into a drying rack. It has these slots here, and they will fit the size of the plates and the bowls. And so you can do a quick dry, and then you can just set it here and it can air dry, and you don't have to worry about them stacking together and putting it all in there when they're wet. You can just leave it out and it can dry on its own. So that is the cook kit that I purchased. Some of the really nice things is that it's stainless, and I like that because then it makes it easy cleaning. I don't have to worry about it too much. I don't have to worry about if there's Teflon or scratching it. I can use metal parts in there. And, it's really an easy way for cleaning and an easy way for the kit. It's also strong, it's pretty durable, and things of that nature. So I'm super happy with this kit. One of the things I'm thinking about doing in the future is doing some car camping meals and writing those out and setting them up so that you guys can have a place to go to get another idea for another kind of car camping meal, or something easy to cook, easy to clean up, great food to eat. So if you have any favorite meals, please put one down in the description, write a comment down below, and let me know what your favorite meal is and how you prepare that. I mean, something more than a peanut butter and jelly, you know what I mean? Hammer down on that subscribe button if you want to continue seeing videos along these lines. And don't forget, keep crawling.